Hey guys, I'm gonna pull out this tree. I got a hole dug in the front yard there, and I'm gonna stick it in there, see if it'll grow. I just got this big rope. Just gonna try wrap it around a bunch of times and see what happens.
The ground's pretty wet right now, so are we kind of just hoping it pops out of there?
That's it. Pretty sure it will. I'm hoping the roots are gonna fit in the hole. If not, I'm gonna try and pull one of these. You're gonna need my jack. Okay. Gonna put this on it so we don't tip, hopefully. Easy. Yeah, on there.
What? What keeps happening?
Rope keeps slipping up.
Oh. What are you going with the J hook thing?
We're gonna give her a hook.
Give her a hook. Oh, buddy.
We'll try one of these guys, I guess. Figure that was, I think the roots are spread way out on it because he was kind of above the mud. Hopefully we can, the next guy, I guess. Not going as planned. They're probably growing on roots of old, bigger trees, I guess. See her, she comes way up, but it won't. I go by a tree. A few more to try, I guess. Huh? Yeah. I think this one chose me. This one chose me. The other one chose not to have me anyways. Oh, that's good luck, huh? Easy. Oh, she blew her. The block up her. What a prick. Wish you fucked us. That's worse shit. Just about got the fucker out. Yep, got her off on you. Breaks the fucking trailer. She's coming with us. Okay. Care if I throw it over the bank at this point, it's coming. Boy. Alright guys, I'm just gonna throw some dirt, some wood chips and shit from the garden in there. It's a deep wall, a couple 2.5 feet or something, I guess. Oh yeah, it's just. Oh yeah, it's just a nice one. Oh yeah. Look at this one. These ones are mint compared to that one.
Oh, this is like that one.